steaming. My skin is gleaming. The way it shine, I know you seen it. I bought a crib just for the closet, both his and hers. I want it, I got it.
Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video, and this video is going to be all about this hair that I'm currently rocking. So today we are working with Kemy Hair. Shout out to Kemy Hair for sponsoring today's video. So let's get into it.
Why don't you say so? Didn't even notice. No punches got to roll with. You got to keep it focused. You wanna say so? Day and night to know. Keep running in the moment. Why didn't you ever know me? Why don't you say so? Didn't even notice. No punches got to roll with. You got to keep it focused. You wanna say so?
Back home, I'm no president, I'm Obama, ayy. I condone the drama, ayy. I told I'm Madonna, ayy. Do you need pajamas? Yeah, saying it like how you promised it. I hide in the cave like Osama did. I'm blowing the bag in the diamond district. You need me like dollars that I owe to you. Yeah, money and me are the same, but I just don't fall for you. Yeah, run me your body, I put a range on the road for you. I don't know what you were told, but I ain't mad at you, baby.
If I sent you out me to a beat, boy, you crazy. Diamond in the rough, you look as good as Oprah's pregnant. I just wanna take you out, fuck you in your mama house. Overseas, I fly you out. Easy drinking juice, you really never just find it out. Baby, what's up with your mouth? City first, straight from the south. Is they mad that you fuck me? Is they mad that you ride around in a Bentley? Is they mad that you not with them? Same hoes hating, be in my DM. Locking it down, locking it down, locking it down. I want you. I want them to know you're my baby boo. We still make it lit when there's nothing to do. Every time we step out, niggas look at you. I ain't mad at him, baby. If I seen you up me to a beat, boy, you crazy. Diamond in the rough, you look as good as Oprah's pregnant. I just wanna take you look as good as Oprah's pregnant. I just wanna take you look as good as Oprah's pregnant. I just wanna take you look as good as Oprah's pregnant. I ain't mad at him, baby.
My bitch put it looking like Oprah Bank. Let's go. Take a pic with a bitch and she tank. She look like a goddess, but she ain't no saint. My bitch bout to bout it, she need her a tank. You know ain't no limit on blue honey. My bitch like a big bag of money, that's new money. Yeah. You gon' make the bitch think that you love her. Hold her hand right in front, you be too public. Take the little nigga bitch, he ain't do nothing. Now this bitch going baby on pay. Let's
Overseas, I pull you out. Is he tricking? Do she really ever? Let's just find it out. Baby, what's up with your mouth? City, go straight from the south. I just wanna take you low, as good as Oprah's break down. I just wanna take you low, as good as Oprah's break down. I just wanna take you low, as good as Oprah's break down. I ain't mad at him, baby.
To it. Okay, so this is a 24-inch 180 density number 27 deep wave lace frontal wig. It is all the way from here to the front, full 13x4, 24 inches. This is 180, but it's definitely as full as a 200 density. So I was a little hesitant, but I love her. So for starters, I absolutely love the density on this wig. This is very full. Even when I wet this hair all the way down, like, it was still full. So along with the density, the construction of this wig is amazing. This definitely is big head friendly. If you have a larger head or if you have a lot of hair, you don't have to worry about this fitting too tight or not fitting at all. The fit on this is amazing. I didn't have to do no plucking with this. With blonde hair, you don't really have to do all of that. You can, but you don't have to. And as you can see, it looks really good. Like, you don't have to pluck her. So I did appreciate that. This is also very soft. And another thing I have to mention is the length. Okay, let me back up. As you can see, this 24 is long. Just how we like it over here. We love the inches over here. So I can appreciate the length on her. This hair is so beautiful. It is really soft. It might give ramen when it's wet, but the wave of the wig out of the package was beautiful. I could have left it like that, but I did want to see what it would look like if I wet it, work some product in there, and I'm pleased. Like, this is cute. Also, if you're someone that is not for blonde hair or this is too much for you, being that this is so light, a number 27, you could color this just about any color and it will take. Like, yeah, you don't have to do any bleaching. If you're just looking for a good curly wig that you can do any color. I want to thank you for watching this video. Definitely check the links down in the description box and I will see you in the next one.
Back keep flowing, hit the gas keep going. Yeah, them girls on tour going city after city.